Inhlangano iMarch and March ihambisana namaqembu ezombusazwe kanye nabantu abahlala emahostela eGoli. Namhlanje bamashele edolobheni iGoli beyothumela uhlu lwezikhalo esishayamthetho sesifundazwe. iMarch and March ikhala ngesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho njengoba ithi lokhu kuthwesa umthwalo omkhulu ekutheni uhulumeni uhlinzeke ngezidingo ngqangimi.
Si-oppress abantu abasithembisa bathi bona ngoba bayolwela inkululeko balwela ukuthi kukhululeke thina kanti bayazi ukuthi balwela ukuthi bakhulule izisu zabo.
90% of criminality in this country done by illegal immigrants. We say enough is enough. If we die, we die. It doesn't matter.
Lo mbhikisho ubuqashwe kakhulu ngamaphoyisa. Abanye abebeyingxenye yale mashi basola amaphoyisa ngokuvikela abantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho. Bathi amaphoyisa enza ukuthi kube nzima ukuyinqoba lempi.
So my question is, do we really have SAPS that is on our side, or are they working with the undocumented foreigners? Because my firm belief is that they are getting bribes and this must stop.
Ngicela ukuthi sisizeke labantu abaze labangena amaphepha baze ngama drugs babulala abantwana bethu isizwe sonke konakele umhlaba sicela ukuthi bathlinwe babuyele emakubo ama undocumented person bahambe ama foreign mawahambe sikhululeke.
When we fought for this freedom, we didn't fight for people to come illegal in our country and undocumented to do as they please.
Sekuphele unyaka manje lenhlangano iMarch and March ihola imbhikisho yokulwisana nabantu bokufika ngokungemthetho kuleli. Lembhikisho iqale eThekwini yadlulela eGoli, ePitoli kanye nakuGompo eEastern Cape.